Hello. Okay, continue with the first part. So I can see that in the list, in this list view, the first one is the user interest level. This is the job. You will get 5 cents for per page, and it will require time about 1 minute 40 seconds, and about 500 hits. That means jobs are available. Now this is the download guidelines. This is the user manual, or you can say guidelines or training material. And if you press this one, it will bookmark the job. So it may happen that you like this job and you want to continue this job, but you are taking a nap, you are taking a break, so you have to bookmark this job. Okay, and leave the feedback after finishing this job. You can leave a feedback to the creator of this job, that whether you like it or not like it, or you can send some comments about this job, that improvement suggestion or like that. But you can see that here there is here in this job we don't have any training, we have only guidelines. So you need to read the guidelines and just press the qualify button to appear for the qualification. Okay, now now you can see this job, how closely related is the product at PAAC English. So 15 cents are there per hit, and about 90 hits are available, 90 jobs are available, and completion time 21 seconds you needed to complete a job. So here a training button is provided. So whenever you click on this training button, first of all you need to observe this thing, this message. You can see, before starting please confirm that you have read the guidelines. Now you can see that you have 3 qualification attempts, so you will get 3 qualification attempts, right? So at first qualification you failed, you will get 2 more qualification, and there will be 15 hits in the qualification test. Okay, in the qualification test, it is not in the training mode. So when it is in training mode, the link below will begin a training, and you must complete 10 hits before the training is completed. So whenever you confirm this, it will say that you need at least 10 hits, that is 10 job training should complete to enter to the qualify mode. Like I'm going to train myself. So this job is now in training mode. Okay, you can see that it is in training mode. So this is the first hit. Okay, and as per instruction you need to complete 10 hits. So when you complete this task or complete this job, you need to submit. So that will be your first hit. After completing the second hit, you need to manually counting those numbers, and after 10 hit there will be a 11th hit, but you should stop there because 10 hit is required. Okay, to complete the job, to understand the job. So it will be sufficient for 10 hits, it will be sufficient. So you need to, after completing the 10 hits, you need to click on this return to dashboard. Return to dashboard. So it will be UHRS, dashboard of UHRS, and after that you need to click on not all, you need to click on recently worked. So when you complete the training mode, your your recent jobs will be showing here. Okay, will be showing here, and after